Hi, I'm Jason. I'm shooting on behalf of exportvillage.com today. So far, we've went through selecting materials for our necklace. Everything that we have here has either been given to us or we found. We've made the clasp out of a safety pin. The necklace itself is out of a wire from possibly a telephone line. We've turned cable into beads and a skull charm. We've lined everything up and measured. We've kept this furthest side from going any farther up. We will also need to do the same on this. We've already measured. All we're going to do is just tie our knot really quick. So not too tight at first. Just make a half circle. Just a simple knot. But before we keep tightening it, the knot wants to come clear up here. So we've got to keep pulling it down. Pulling it down towards the bead. You don't want to just let it go right away, or you'll end up with about 1/4 of an inch away from where you want to be. Just bringing it to the bead, keep bringing it to the bead, and if you have to, just like before, if you have to push it and pull on it like from the behind, that's fine. That's what you need to do. It's not going to go anywhere. Now, the necklace, the beads, the charm will not move from that spot. Now, before we tie the last knot and put it on the clasp, we want to make sure that we know exactly how much we're going to have left. We measured before on each side, so we're just going to make sure our measurement is still right. We'll take the knot near the clasp, put it on the knot by the bead. And that's our length for that side. We want both sides equal. And we're just a tiny bit off on this one. We need to actually move the mark further out. We've got a new mark. And just remember, if you mark on the furthest out, always go the first one in from the furthest out. And that will give each side equal length.